Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make flaky buttermilk biscuits. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then through a sifter over a large bowl, add the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt, and sift the ingredients into the bowl and whisk them together until they're combined. Then cut the cold butter into cubes. And add it into the dry ingredients. And rub it into the dry ingredients using your fingers until it's combined. You don't want it really fine, you still want big chunks. Then add in the buttermilk. Start off mixing it with a spoon to combine the buttermilk into the rest of the mixture. Then use your hands to bring it together until it forms a ball. Then lightly flour your work surface and roll it out into a rectangle. Then fold the edges in towards the middle. Then flip it over and rotate it. And roll it out into a rectangle again. Fold the edges into the middle again. And repeat the process 2 more times. Add more flour if you need to. This process is what's creating those flaky layers we want in our biscuits. Then roll it out until it's a little less than ½ an inch thick. Then use a cookie cutter to cut out the biscuit shapes. Then set aside the cutouts biscuits. With the offcuts, you can't squeeze them into a ball and roll it out again, or you'll lose those flaky layers. What you need to do instead is stack them on top of each other, and then press them down so they stick back together. And you can fold it in half so you get a smooth top. Then lightly flour the surface again, and roll it out again to the same thickness as before. Then cut out more biscuits. And continue the process again until you've used up all the dough. Lightly grease a baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Then place the biscuits onto the tray. Then brush the tops with a bit of milk, or you can use an egg wash. And bake them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they turn a light golden brown color on top. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly, and you can serve them while they're still warm if you like. And that's how to make flaky buttermilk biscuits. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.